Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are at Heritage Landing in Punta Gorda, and we are doing a model video tour of the Victoria floor plan offered by Lennar at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Victoria is part of the executive line of homes put out by Lennar. It's a 2-bedroom plus den, 1,850 square foot home. You've got the 2-car garage and a nice great room feel as you walk in. Let's go inside and take a look at this beautiful floor plan here. So as we come inside the Victoria, we're going to start directly to our right, and that's where you're going to have the laundry area here. Full-size washer and dryer included. You also get a utility sink, and then you have the entrance to your 2-car garage there. And then just off of the laundry and garage area, we have the first guest bedroom here with the bifold closet, and you have the guest bath here, which is going to carry a shower here along with the single sink and commode. Directly across from the guest bath area is going to be your den. So you've got a nice sized den here. Many people will utilize this room as a 3rd bedroom. But no, it does not have a closet, so it is a true den. And you do get the dual doors with the glass front, which is really nice. Directly across from that, you do have a closet here for storage. Now this leads us into the main living space here, which opened up really nicely. So off to the right, you have your dedicated dining space, eating kitchen area. You've got this kitchen here, which is nice and open to everything. Stainless appliances. You've got your cooktop, wall oven and microwave. Nice sized pantry right there. And then you've got your flat island, which overlooks your entire great room, which is really nice. Really feels a lot bigger than what the square footage calls for in this home. You've got 2 dedicated eating spaces, depending on how you want to set it up. Here, you've got a more of a formal dining table here, and then to the left, there's also another area here that can be utilized for additional seating, sitting area, whatever you want to make this area. It is additional room for you. As you can tell, there's plenty of space here in a great room for couches and sitting. Now, directly across the way here is your access to the master. Really nice sized master bedroom here. You've got the sliding doors that lead out to your lanai space. But otherwise, nice big room, big space here that you can utilize. You've got 2 closets here, his and hers. You've got one really nice sized walk-in closet right here. And then directly across, you have your more traditional coat style closet here. And then that leads us into the master bath, which is going to have the separate vanity sinks, your soaking tub, and your walk-in style shower. And then you also have your private commode room right here. Last but not least in the Victoria is the outdoor living space. The Victoria has one of the largest undercover lanais that Lennar puts out. It goes from one side of the home to the other. And one of the nice things as well on the Victoria is not only do you get this really nice size under truss space here, but it's one of Lennar's only floor plans that really have a dedicated pool bath. So you've got a pool bath here if you opt for the pool option with a Victoria floor plan. All right, guys, so this is the Victoria. You can find this model at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. You can reach us at all the contact information below. If you're looking for this plan, please feel free to reach out. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.